Hi guys, my name's Jack and today I'm just going to talk about my tooth. But oh, look! There's a present. It says, don't open, Jack can look. I'm Jack. But the clue is, I did lose my tooth and this is the paper. I should say tissue. There's two things in it. This Jack Red little box thing and a little book. Look at it. Cool, huh? Like and subscribe if you do think so. There's a tiny little tooth. That's mine, didn't you know? Do you think it looks cool? I think that's a yes. I like it as well. I think it's kind of cool. Satisfying. That's another side. But now we're going to read Jack's Tooth of Horror. Okay, let's open it. So first it has a picture of me eating cake. Can't you see? If you don't, you're blind. Next, I just munched my cake up, but suddenly my tooth went wobbly, loose. I was like, what? So then I ran upstairs to tell my mum. So I did. Can't you see me running upstairs with my socks on? Not really, with my socks. Just look at my sock. It's not right, is it? It's wrong. I should have coloured it blue. So, the next page is that I told my mum my tooth is wobbly, and then I started to wobble it, and then blood was on my thumb. Boom. So then she gave me the tissue, and then I started to just like do the that's where the hole was, and that's what happened. Lots of it went all around it. Next page. But the clue is this was very bad timing. Max's friends came to our house. Bad timing, huh? What do you think? Bad timing. So then, after that, started to play with each other while I was twisting. That's the way to get your tooth out. Twist, twist, twist. And then, my tooth fell out. Look, can't you see the arrow, Jack Red arrow, pointing at my tooth because it fell out. I was like, yay! And I was like, But then, I was smiling that my tooth went out with a match. And then I started to eat the rest of my cake. And then I looked for my GoPro and I had a good idea. Jumping for me, yeah, so happy. And the end. And like and subscribe. Bye. See you tomorrow.